Hello and welcome to Watson's Weekly. This is a quick roundup of what I think are the most important and interesting economic and commercial events of the week just gone. US-China trade war repercussions are continuing to manifest themselves as Broadcom became the first major chip maker to quantify the damage of not being able to trade with Huawei. It said that its annual sales would be hit by $2 billion per year, while on the other side, Huawei has had to delay the launch of its new laptop and PC production due to the restrictions on buying US products like Intel chips and Microsoft Windows. There was some major M&A activity going on this week, with United Technologies announcing a deal to merge with Raytheon. This would form a combined aerospace and defence company called Raytheon Technologies that would be the world's second largest defence contractor by revenues. It is thought that there won't be any antitrust issues here, given that there's not much overlap between the businesses, but President Trump stuck his oar in soon after the deal was announced, saying that he thought it wouldn't be good for competition. Elsewhere, Salesforce announced plans to buy intelligence and data analytics company Tableau for $15 billion in an all-stock deal. Investors balked at the price Salesforce was paying, given that it was at a 42% premium to the closing price on Friday, but it sounds like the deal makes sense on a strategic basis. UK supermarkets saw a bit of action this week as Tesco announced a wage increase but slower sales growth. Morrison's rolled out its Morrison's at Amazon speedy delivery service to more cities, and Lidl announced new stores in London. In apparel retailing, Arcadia started to make staff and store portfolio cuts after getting the votes it needed to survive earlier on this week. Ted Baker had its second profit warning in less than 2 months, prompting talk of vulnerability to takeover. Inditex benefited from its online business in Brazil, and Boohoo.com enjoyed a strong start to the year. In electric vehicle chat this week, the Chinese government is cutting subsidies for electric cars by 65%, which is bound to have a very negative effect on sales. This is likely to cause bankruptcies among the smaller EV makers, but could also prompt consolidation in a fragmented industry. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs and VW announced that they were among those putting money into a Swedish battery maker called Northvolt to create a European champion in the area to rival Asian makers and Tesla. I hope you found this roundup interesting. I publish a daily note on watsonsdaily.com, which gives you more detail on what I've just said on a daily basis. If you want to get access to this, as well as my weekly, monthly and annual publications that will help to turbo boost your commercial awareness, then don't be shy, please subscribe. A subscription will cost you less than a double espresso per month. So, thanks for watching. Watson, out.